Right now, your business sentiment score is sitting at minus 0.06, which is notably below our historical baseline. This indicates a shift in the overall mood, suggesting that concerns are creeping in. The slight momentum gain of plus 0.01 offers a glimmer of optimism, but it's overshadowed by the negative sentiment. With 20 semantic clusters identified in this data, you can pinpoint specific areas driving sentiment changes. Imagine using this API to enhance your risk assessment models. By integrating this real-time sentiment data, you can make informed decisions about market entry strategies or portfolio adjustments. If you want to dive deeper into how this can elevate your projects, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.